Ukhozi FM DJ and founder of the Crown Gospel Music Awards has passed away, and people are now questioning whether Dr. Kithelezi was correct when he prophesied this back in May. So, I want to talk about that and more in this video, but before going to it, I need to first request you guys to like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also support by scrolling down this channel to watch my previous videos. So enjoy this video. Zanele Mbokazi Nkambule was announced to have passed away by her husband Bishop Mpendule Nkambule on Monday the 12th of August 2024. Mom Zanele was diagnosed with cancer a few months back, so she was even off air for some time after she got hospitalized. And as you might expect, close friends of the family and friends of Zanele Mbokazi have been sending their condolences to the family and to those who might have been affected by her death. And because we're in South Africa, even someone's death cannot be taken seriously in this country. Well, not that what I'm about to share with you is not serious, but I think the timing is a little bit off. So, as I've mentioned before, that Mom Zanele was hospitalized and diagnosed with cancer a few months back. And back then was not so long after BK Mchunu, who is another Ukhozi FM DJ, had passed away. So everyone was sad, which is why Dr. Kithelezi decided to pray for BK and Ukhozi FM at large. So while he was praying, his ancestors revealed to him that BK was not the only Ukhozi FM DJ who was going to die this year. And according to him, the ancestors told him that 2 more DJs of the station are going to die this year. One will die by car accident and one was in hospital and soon going to die. And at that time, the only Ukhozi FM DJ who was in hospital was Zanele Mbokazi. Well, this did not sit well with her. She even organized a whole prayer to rebuke what Dr. Kithelezi had said. Now, since Mom Zanele passed on, people are now questioning whether Dr. Kithelezi was right when stating that 2 more prominent DJs of Ukhozi FM are going to die. And if that is true, then who is the next DJ? And that is what the debate is about on social media. Some people are stating that Mom Zanele was already in her late stages of cancer when this news broke out. So Kithelezi knew that, he then used what he already know and lied that it was a revelation from God or ancestors. So hey guys, asas, and this is a sensitive issue. What makes it worse is that Zanele's death is recent. Maybe I can come back and share more as this news develops, but you can comment in the comment section and let me know what do you think about this topic. And if you enjoyed content on this video, please like, subscribe and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on TikTok. And all that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.